We are at Pattaya sheep farm and there's so much that you guys can see. Hi, Evie. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Okay. Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Family park. The ticket is kid 50, adult is 80. Oh, there's a different price on weekdays and weekends. Yep. Today's Thursday, so we're paying a little bit lesser. Daddy, you have to write your number and here. Wow, there's so many kids over here. Look. Asan na to si Ella? And there's a trampoline. There's a baby over there. Over here. Asan ka itong bata? I just go. Wait, Daddy. Hi. Are you happy? Pattaya farm. This is what we call Pattaya farm. Maybe. Asa sila nindong? Okay, let's... Evie! This is really a good place for a family adventure trip. Look! The ships are there! See? Yes! Can you see the duck? Nagising siya ng bigla. Hi!
Hello vlog!
Hello vlog! Ito na yung Odex, mag-hi ka, dali. Baka makita ka ng person.
Hi!
God,
Hi
ako din.
pwede ka dito.
Ang bata ang place. Tungtuwa si Evie. Evie, look! Evie, look! Uy, Diyos ko. Hi. Sorry, we don't have food. Look at that, it's a big ship. There's a carnival over there. I did not... Wow, there's a beautiful place over there.
Okay,
There's
let's
a
go
Ferris
first in the
wheel.
castle first.
There's nothing to be scared, Ella.
Here before.
Whoa!
Oh, there's a bunny.
Wow!
Bunny.
Hi, Bunny! Hi, Mr. Bunny! I'm so cute, Bunny. And my Bob is so cute. Ella, Ella, come here.
Ella.
Don't go on your own. Come here. This is Alice in Wonderland. Now, can you take a picture there with Alice? Okay, hi.
Hey, I want to go in this.
Yeah? Three little pigs. Whoa, there's a big shoe, Ella. I think, Ella, this one is Jack and the Beanstalk. Look at that. Three little pigs. Hi, I'm pretty sure Evie likes them. Hi, Piggy. Three little pigs, Evie.
Ella, no. Come on, let's go inside the castle. Come on.
Let's go to the castle. Oh, there. Here is Cinderella's coach. This one. And the castle is there. Hi, castle. Not to trust strangers even if they treat you well. Oh, this is Hansel and Gretel. go somewhere else, love. There's so much more to see. Come on, come on. Oh, you want to train?
Yeah, so awesome, isn't it?
It is. Oh, what is this? What's this? Okay, hunchback. There's a lot of stuff here.
Sheep and 7 dwarves.
Okay, you go there. Go. I'm gonna take a picture of you there. Go, go, go.
Don't go inside, Ella.
Ella, not in the house. Ito si Evie, pati si Evie. Oh, sus, pastilan, pastilan, pastilan. Perting abtika. Oh, this is so small. It's spooky. It's spooky there.
Go over there.
And
Go on the bridge, Ella.
let's go to the bridge.
It's so awesome.
So much sheep here, Pattaya Sheep Farm. See? It is awesome, love. What's in there? Let's go. Stay there, Ella.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired because I'm not exhausted. I'm too fat.
Well, what's over there? It's some sort of restaurant. I think it's a restaurant, Ella. On the river. Yeah?
On the boat.
And this bridge here is quite high. The river is also big. What's over there, love? That looks so colorful, like a lot of candies. Hi, flamingos. Pattaya Great and Grand. That's a different tourist destination. We thought it's still part of this Pattaya Sheep Farm. Ay, mantog ra kay close di kasud. And we're going back. Heading back to where we just come from. See that there's a ticket booth for Great and Grand Place. This
The hare.
and that one.
The tortoise.
Do you like sitting with them?
Yes.
Why?
Aren't they talking?
Maybe they're just waiting for somebody to talk to. Okay, they're waiting perhaps for other people to sit with them and talk to them. Then talk to them now. Then you talk to Abby. What things? Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Dada, for the yummy treat and for the very nice holiday. We are at Pattaya Sheep Farm, and there's so much that you guys can see. Ella, can you tell them what can they see in this place? What did you see in this place? So, the people around this might be interested to visit this place. There's so many things that the kids can enjoy here. Like almost everything, almost every children's story books. You can see that here, like statues of Cinderella, the Seven Dwarfs. What else, love? There's so much more. Three Little Pigs, Humpty Dumpty, McDonald Farm. I can't remember all, but there's a lot here.
Fairy tale.
Yeah, fairy tale stuff. Yeah. And I think
Where's that?
you can also see real animals here like sheep. And I think there are turtles as well. Right?
We're having break time.
Where are you now?
I'm at Pattaya's sheep farm.
And what you guys can see? What if the people want to come here? What can they see?
I do know they're not here.
What can people see here? There's a lot of stuff, right? Tell them.
Sheep's horse.
And what else? Like this. What are these?
Cows.
And
Pigs.
some more.
Pigs.
Pigs. Some more. What about this fairy tale stuff?
Alice in Wonderland, Cinderella.
And
Oh no.
Dumpty Dumpty.
He sat on the wall.
Hi.
Ella.
Where's Tita Res and Tita Kat? Oh, there's a big dog right there.
Is that a sheepdog?
Yeah.
Why is it called sheepdog? Why are there so many little stuff flying around? What is that?
I don't know.
There's an announcement. Show? No. It's a big. Hi, horse. Horsey.
How did the sheep get out of their pen?
They're not getting out. Oh, this one? Yeah, those ones.
Let's feed them.
No, love. They're not too near, love. You want to touch? Never mind. Hi, sheep. Say hi, sheep. They're grazing. They're hungry, Evie. So let's go there. There's a big sheep. Go. There's a big sheep. No, you have to try on your own. Oh.
Stay in your house forever. You just stay at our
Eh, diba?
house.
Mano nga to eh.
Parang
Love, let's go.
kasama na niya, parang nalulungkot.
Nalulungkot talaga siya.
Mote may anxiety. Ano nga separation anxiety?
Separation anxiety.
Pag may pakiramdam.
Let's go. Bye-bye na. Evie! Ito si Evie din. Ayaw umuwi. Umiyak. Kaya kinarga na lang. Bumalik na doon. Kinarga na ni Buboy. Bye. We're going back home. Bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Asan ka, Tisha?